Okay, so good evening. In this videos, we have seen about what is computer networks, and in today's video, we are going to see about your performance in computer networks. So in last class videos and all, we were seeing about the TCP and ICP model and how we are going to have the application layers on it and the transport layers and the data link layers. So the sessions layers. So now we are going to see about the performance in your networks. So without this network will not be happening so much. So the first one we are going to see is the bandwidth, throughput, latency, jitter, packet loss, reliability, and improving performance. So with this only we can use the networks for their performance of using their bandwidths. So in your bandwidth you see the maximum data transfer from one system to another system, we tell it as a bandwidth. So bandwidth is nothing but the calculation between a source of a system to the destination of the system. So the time taken, the time for traveling from one end to another end, we will be saying it as a maximum data transfer, or the packets which we are sending. The packets may be of 10 packets or 12 packets. So whatever the packets may be, it will be having the time duration of taking the maximum data packets. So that we know, we call it as a bandwidth. So next is your throughput. The throughput is nothing but I am just sending a message of hi, I am fine. So I am sending a packet of this much packets which contains of letters. So the data which is sent hi, I am fine. The same data over here which is actually transferred to the destination without even a packet loss. That is the actual data, the actual packet without an error correction or detection. So through this we can calculate the latency and the throughput of it. So this bandwidth and throughput, what happens is it plays a very vital role in your network communication. So next, the latency. So latency is nothing but the time taken for each of your packets. So as I told, hi, I am fine. The same example I am taking this. Even if there is a time delay, even there is a pause between this source and destination, but the packet from the source is transferred to your destination with the actual packet of having your time duration. So this time taken for sending your data will be of latency. So these three, bandwidth, throughput and latency, plays a vital role. So whereas in your jitter, packet loss and reliability, it is lesser network happenings. So jitter is nothing but the variation in packets. The data may be which I am sending, the data will be delivered to your destination source, but whereas the data will be receiving a bit delay or will be having a delay of time duration. The packets may be sent fully, but the packets may be not arranged properly in your jitter. There will be many variation in your sizes. If suppose if I am taking H, a separate letter, it will be having a separate packet, whereas MB will be lesser, so that packet will be going first. Whereas the MB is higher, it will be moving in the next packet in your jitter. So next is your packet loss. The packet loss is nothing but while sending these messages, even if I suppose while the source is sending these messages, so the source is having this apostrophe comma over here. So I am fine, this message. So what happens? This shows an error. So what happens? So automatically when the message moves over here, so it comes hi, I am fine. So over here the apostrophe is missing. So this will be calculated as your percentage of packet loss when you are transforming the network. So what happens? Over here you will be having a packet network weightage of it, and over here the weightage will be less. So through this we can have your packet loss or variation. So next is your reliability. Reliability is nothing but the consistent performance. So we know the performance from the source to destination will always be one packet. When one packet passes and reaches the destination, and then only the second packet will move and it passes to your second packet of your destination. So from that way it will be having a one-way communication. When you send a message, the destination will receive, and after receiving the destination, it will be again having it. So the consistent performance of one-to-way one communication. So improving your performance. So how we can improve this bandwidth, throughput, latency, jitter, packet loss. So how we can improve is, we can improve by using the high optimization technique or high speed transmission. For example, the data usage from your 4G network to 5G, but now we are having a trending of coming of 6G. The 6G network is range of testing is going on. So we can, by using the high speed transmission, we can make this network performances to a stable one. So in the next class we will see the other videos. So thank you.